Alrighty, so the third school to take the stage, and of course a place in the top 10, is Merlene Ottey High. Please give it up for Merlene Ottey. They are singing Fill Me Up with This Little Light of Mine.
Provide the fire. I provide the sacrifice. You provide the spirit. I will open up inside. You provide the fire. I provide the sacrifice. You provide the spirit. I will open up inside. Fill me up, God. Fill me up, God. Fill me up, God. Fill me up. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. Let it shine, let it shine, let it shine. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. Let it shine, let it shine, let it shine. This little light of mine, fill me up, Lord. I'm gonna let it shine. Fill me up, Lord. This little light of mine, fill me up, Lord. I'm gonna let it shine. Fill me up, Lord. This little light of mine, fill me up, Lord. I'm gonna let it shine. Fill me up, and let it shine.
Merlene Ottey, I can see that you enjoyed yourselves, didn't you?
Yes.
Okay. Well, there are some things I'd like to point out, right? First of all, when you're doing a medley, the songs that you choose to do the medley must have a connection. If they don't have a melodic connection or an arrangement connection, they need to have a lyrical connection. It cannot be that song over there, so, and that song over there, so. Secondly, when you're moving from one to the other, you need to give us something to move with. Give us a proper connection into the next song.
Merlene Ottey, it's been my absolute pleasure watching you in both rounds. Thank you.
Madam Choir Director, this one was rough. It never came together at all. There are a couple of things that need to happen to put together a really good performance. So we need to rehearse, we need to tighten that arrangement, we need to work out that part that the three of us are going to do together and ensure that that becomes an actual three-part. And then we also need to make sure that the band is kind of connecting with what we're doing as well. So we need some more rehearsals, yeah?
Well, did Merlene Ottey fill you up with a stellar performance? Show them your appreciation by calling or texting 444-8803 to vote.